Oh, I like it
MacBook.
too because it
Yeah.
also allows us to do separate faders for like Spotify, which we use for our pre-show music. We actually
Right.
use Zach's Spotify account like the whole time.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's okay.
I feel like they're still going to use my Spotify.
Well,
account.
didn't he give you gift cards for it?
He gave me.
That was my
a gift-
idea, by the
yeah,
way. I hope
he-
you realize that.
I know. I kind of figured. He gave me a year's worth of Spotify. He's like,
Ooh.
you can add this as long as you let us keep using the.
Just let them keep using
your
the account. Yeah, I mean, hey, it works as long as it doesn't get in the way of what you're doing. That's all that matters,
That's
right?
fine.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, every once in a while, I'll be in the car, and then like the pre-show music will just start playing in my car, and I'm like, oh right, like there's a show.
Yeah. So
And
is there
then-
no way that you could like separate the playback from the computer with your phone?
I just turn on airplane mode,
Oh.
and then just listen to my downloaded songs.
Huh. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. I didn't know that was a thing.
I mean,
I'm used
whenever
to-
it works.
I'm used to using. Well, I used YouTube Music for the longest
Yeah.
amount of time.
Can you
Then
have
I
multiple
switched-
listeners on one account?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So I used YouTube Music for the longest time, and then I switched to Tidal for a bit, back to YouTube Music, and then now I'm actually on Apple Music. But throughout my experience with all of those, and I've lent my account as well, I don't think any of them will like join the same session or anything like that. Like I can have completely separate playbacks on all the devices, which sometimes I actually don't like. I wish that like if I was listening to something on my phone, I could continue it on my computer.
Right.
But sometimes it's nice because then I could play something different on my computer and my phone. So, to each
Yeah.
their own.
I
But
mean,
I wish they had more control for that. That's what I'll say.
Right. The thing with that though is that like we're always, no matter what, using my Spotify account for all the tech stuff. So if we're at something and I want to just like play a song, I can just play it because I
That's
just
true.
go on my phone and just play it through Spotify.
That's true.
Like Promenade, I played like a walk-up song.
Nice.
I guess I started playing
Wait, what song did you play? I want to know this.
Groove Merchant.
Oh, that's a good song. Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
good one. We love jazz music around here. Which is that in one of your playlists or no?
It's in a couple.
It's in a couple.
Yeah.
Nice. It's in a couple of my playlists.
I listen to
as
it a
well.
lot. It's one of
It's
my
a good
favorite
song.
songs.
It's such a good Thad Jones song. It's so perfect. It's such a good song.
It really
I
is.
love that thing. But I mean, you got some good music taste. I got to admit, you got some good taste. A lot of good stuff.
I'm locked in, Chaney.
You really are. You locked in on your music taste, which is incredible. I wish I could lock in as much as you did. But you locked in on the sound design as well, which is super cool. You got nominated for an award. That was pretty neat. Unfortunately,
neat.
it wasn't one of the awards that Pentucket won, was it? No, it wasn't. I just want good. Hopefully, I didn't say that, and then actually, he just won an award, and I didn't even realize.
I wish. Like that'd be
I know.
so cool.
It would have been
didn't win.
really cool.
I
But the
didn't
fact
win
that you
anything.
got that far, though, I mean, it was wasn't it one of four that got
4,
nominated?
yeah.
That's already a pretty slim
I know.
margin. That's pretty cool. Not half bad. I mean, can't win them
Yeah.
all.